ka Professor Sherwin Me Sungoh kabala ino ya ka Shuki Pro Vice Chancellor jong skulbah NEHU Shillong campus kala menjur pan Shimti kum ka acting Vice Chancellor jong kani ka skulbah ya kanila pyntip do President jong ka NEHU Teachers Association Professor Lakon Kama ka jinga kran mat kilar pathai khubor hadien balawai ka jinga lang kabala long hapadeng ka NEHU Teachers Association mat ka NEHU Non-Teaching Staff Association hakwai tereng ya yong arhaja arpsan Professor Kama ula pyntip ru bakat kum ka ag and statue jang ka skulbah NEHU ka Professor Sungoh menta kelala Menteri Kampura klem da don kamshu ban panbor na Vice Chancellor Professor PS Shukla ubadan hapdeng ka jingshim shuti de kimnai.
In Shillong campus, Tura campus is equally important to us, and we know how significant it is for us to have both the campus functioning within the rules. And hence, we will request Pamela that she should resign, and we'll request, maybe when she comes back, I don't know when Professor Sungoh will be here in the office, maybe Tuesday, most likely. I think maybe there can be a joint meeting between the EC of NEHUTA and NEHUSA with her, where we can say that, you let her resign, appoint her as the in charge of the campus till you get it approved after you recommend her name to the EC, call an EC, approve her as the PVC for the Tura campus. It will be very, very nice gesture, and this is how you go to normalcy. And once that is done, we believe that we will be back on the track and we'll be able to concentrate on our work. We'll do, of course, to be very frank, teaching learning process has not affected with or without the Vice Chancellor here. That is the constant thing you should know, because we have been taking our classes, we have been conducting our tests, our exams, we have done, and this will be done irrespective, because there is an inbuilt system in a university where we don't depend, as long as we are paid salary, we will be doing our job, and that is constant. The rest of the thing, yes, it requires an administrator who is actually foresighted, who will take everybody on board, because without these stakeholders, you can't function. We know, we all should remind ourselves again and again. Why Professor Shukla failed is simply because he thought that he is the king and we are the subject. And in university system, it doesn't work that way. He has to know, and any VC has to know that he or she derives the power from the academic council, from the executive council, from the university court, from BOS, from school board, from everybody. All stakeholders will empower you to do your job as per rule. The day you are failing, naturally the organizations, the associations will come and try to intervene, because the rule doesn't permit. And none of us, as long as we are here, we know that we will never allow, no matter who sits in the chair, we will never allow a wrong thing to go, particularly violating Act, statutes and ordinance and UC Regulation 2018 or Model CRR. These are very important. More so, the Government of India rules are equally important, and we are very, very aware of all these, because we can't afford, nobody can violate the Government of India rules under which we all perform. Yes, we are autonomous, but there are things beyond which our rule is silent. Then the Government of India rules comes into play. And there it is important to understand that we are very much aware that what is happening, and will ensure that these rules are followed in letter and spirit.
Kemudian media nama filayawan men cover ya kene ka jengelang jongi jongka ka General Assembly jongka NEHUTA bat ka NEHUNSA. Hoi kene ka General Assembly nama ngilaya pen khre naduh mencisngi nama ngiyo sngo nama ngiya bana ba ngilai ka city ba i proses sngo ila kentai ila resign ya ka kam jongi kumi PVC anda ila join kumu acting Vice Chancellor ka statutes 2A51 nomor ila de senior most ade ka paling jongi tengi halor kane ngi smo kemen nomor kata de ka jing dawa jongi nado pasedang yong ba shim kumu VC bapura nomor pi kumu PVC pihak ya daka jing batai jongu VC ba shongsha jingai la bun shongsha Delhi la bun shongsha Guwahati la bun shongsha Uttarakhand ka chola kum PVC pimla banle ki kam like doi pihak sengap dia ka instruction no VC hanre kumu acting VC pada bidon ka bor bapura tama hangi nu ba shong te shuki da dre makana acting VC ru de VC tingi semua komen ba insyong ila shong te shuki ila senang terekam Vice Chancellor bapura namar ka bor iyo lut kumolong Vice Chancellor Shukla iyo ka bor natrai in treshitum ni kum ka seng NEHUTA kumjung ka NEHUNSA ninya ai ka ketika diang ba in le bha in shong hate ka shuki in pendep ki kamram ki babon hoi I don portang hindet kum ba fia tem in shong thain no ho lai po itari me let tang la don e le se ngimtip ba wan ka ministry ya ka ngimtip hanrai kat kum ka rukom manta hi te no hikai hi te shong thain haka rupusan snem tamut hadu lai po itari ku me I don port hanrai nganget skemba ladangi tray shirham ladangi tray lang kan nihunsa nihuta bat I proses Sungoh in la ban pun urlong kita kijing thumu bala bon kijing dawa ka don ka liang ka nihunsa na liang ka nehuta bat bon ki kunung karna badon hangni nila ban pun bet Lyngba ka jing shongjong I ha ka shuki jong vice chancellor kum acting vice chancellor namar la phi pet ya ka rukom jong acting vice chancellor ilong hit kum vice chancellor yo be kabot imdon kam even klino shukla ka jing ya kanat ka jing ya bitar jungi hakat ko por number habo filong PBC phisha be shalai be ho BC bodon sajingai hare menta phila lai loi la yo ban le kat bomon kat kum ka kandon bala don kat kum ka NEHU act but statutes kat kum ka government of India rules kat kum ka UC regulation 2018 kat kum ka model CRR pada yiki non teaching staff post phila ban le puno ka kam klemda don kam ka jingbet na ushukla tamut philong be vice chancellor bapura ka khmilanti ba ngi kum ka seng in ai ka jing shan ka bapura ba ila pun urlong kita jing thumu bat pun bet ki kondom kanam hapo ka university kana mangitip vice chancellor moroi kimla banle e kadon kami ka jing ya snokti lang ini khamtam ka seng nihuta nihunsa bat ka nihusu bangini tre lang nabenta ka jing hajo ka university ban ngin pen scam me ka kti jongi ba ila ban shong ha ka shuki ba le ki kam kat kumba de ban le vice chancellor ma le ka de ka hok jongi mata la shong hate kum the senior most professor kat kum ka statutes jongi nama ka statutes ka sha ba ya senior most professor ha ba umdon vice chancellor senior most professor namar nitip kata ka jing tung PVC ngila de kentai naduh benai November arjar apusau te ni kemen shikade e ba ila Shimti kum vice chancellor in ong kum acting vice chancellor ka sin ngila ong acting vice chancellor mut udehi vice chancellor idehi vice chancellor in shom ente shuki imdon kamban kli yano yanoro imdon kamban kli ka ministry imdon kamban kli yo shukla ila ban le kuno ka kam ba vice chancellor ni ka vice chancellor ka de ban le ila ban le da shom ate shuki ni kemen bhagata ni ye langkhnang ne bangin ai khubule ya I bat ki dekat ka seng jongi bagi la ai ka jingkershan ya ka nehuta kumjo ya ka nehunsa bangi la ya trelang hagi ki benai bala dep haro la poi kene ka klimat ba la don sisa I vice chancellor acting ba in ngimdon kam shu yo shuklang ni ka university in peniat be ki acting vice chancellor kat ba sha ka por sila de ka por pelai pada ingin sa perkat kumbai nama ka an ka sha ni manbu pada next acting vice chancellor pada senior most ade jogi la ne shwali ki no ngi ba tre pan shim ya kan ka kam tingi so manage ka de ai ko ble ka media nama pila ya la pynphriang ka ni khubor